My name is David Dollar. I'm the Managing Director for J5 North America. So what's poorly done in many industries is the shift-to-shift communications. And so our software helps put a business process workflow around that, where we also bring in information from multiple back-end systems, the right information to the operators so they can do their shift handover, they can dig into, they can see what's been happening. If I want to go back and look at what happened 2.5 months ago on that shift, I've got a snapshot of what was talked about, what was checked off, the status of things at that time. This is the last mile of automation. We know Pi as the global leader in this market, so we were very excited to work with Pi directly. Pi provides us the ability to get data from multiple sources within the plant. We wouldn't have to create 450 connectors. We have one connector to Pi, so that was one thing. The other is the ability for Pi to store the large amount of data. We don't want to have to even attempt to store that type of information in a time series way when Pi does it far better than we would ever imagine. The customers have already validated Pi as a leader in the market. The system integrator community already knows what Pi can do and the tools that are available in Pi, and then we come along as a complementary technology that utilizes Pi and our own capabilities to address the business process. That's why we would not even try to do something like this on our own. We have the opportunity to go to a client who doesn't have an historian, right? And we can embed Pi with our offering. But using the same tools that we use to do that, when we're working with a enterprise client of Pi, we can also interface with Pi in the exact same way. Our favorite use case, working with AGL, their application hierarchy is Pi, J5, RT Duet, and SAP. Even though the data is actually living in and coming from different places within their architecture, the operator sees it really as one process, and that's really powerful. I'm Dave Dollar, and that's my Pi story.